Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and data. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I've found it to be an incredibly valuable tool. It's helped me to stay organized, collaborate with my team more effectively, and get more work done. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can anyone view my Smartsheet? I'll also show you how to share your Smartsheet with others and how to control who can see and edit your data. So, can anyone view your Smartsheet? The answer is no, not by default. Only you and the people you share your Smartsheet with can see it. However, there are a few different ways to share your Smartsheet with others. Here are a few of the most common methods. Share a link. You can share a link to your Smartsheet with anyone. The person you share the link with will be able to view your Smartsheet, but they won't be able to edit it unless you give them permission. Invite collaborators. You can invite collaborators to your Smartsheet. Collaborators will be able to view and edit your Smartsheet. Publish your Smartsheet. You can publish your Smartsheet. This will make it publicly available to anyone who has the link. Once you've shared your Smartsheet with others, you can control who can see and edit your data. Here are a few things to keep in mind. You can set permissions for individual users. This allows you to control who can view and edit specific parts of your Smartsheet. You can create different views of your Smartsheet. This allows you to share different parts of your Smartsheet with different people. You can use the Audit History feature to see who has accessed your Smartsheet and what changes they have made. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, I encourage you to check out their website and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.